In this video, guys, we will learn how to create a folder. So I will erase the folder. I will erase this. It's up to you. You can leave it there if you want. And we will work with this condition. So here I would like to say if OS path exists is not, so it means it doesn't exist. Okay, so we will create a folder. So if not means it's a negative, okay, so of this. So if it is doesn't exist and it will ends with false, so we will convert it to true. So if it doesn't exist, this code will run. Okay, so here I would like to use OS again, and we will call it mkdir. So it means it's something like make directory, and we just put here folder name. Okay, so if this folder doesn't exist, please create the folder. Okay, and I will print here something like folder created successfully. Okay, so we will see. Be careful, because now I erase the data folder. So if I will run it, okay, you can see the data folder was created. Perfect. And we can see folder created successfully. But now if I will run it again, folder does not exist because we have a wrong text here. Okay, so I would put here a f string and the folder and put here the name, folder name. It means data already exists. Perfect. So now it will make a better sense. The folder data already exists. Okay, perfect. If you want to change it, of course, you can. Okay, it doesn't have to be data. The name is the name of the folder is up to you. So I hope, guys, that you understand what we have done